Yeah.
Uh, Remember, I am your guest. First of all, focus on your guest. When you are focusing, you are already understanding your customer. When you are understanding the customer, you determine the guest needs. It means you will know what the customer actually wants from you this day. After you have learned what is his needs, you provide efficient service. You provide him what he has asked for. Then you enhance his self-esteem, make him feel good that he is in the right place, we are the right servers, we have the right tools, we have the right product for you, make him feel respectable, let him feel big, and then when he's feeling such a way, of course he become nice, he become cool, and he behaves well. And by doing all those steps, you already built a rapport with him. It's very easy to conduct business with him, it's easy to deal with him. So you have, when you have established a rapport, you both are happy on both sides.
So this is an assignment time. What we expect from you guys is you need to create a role play video showing these things and submit back to us for our personalized review by Mr. Harish, so that he can help you with improving your interaction skills. So what you can do is you can make a 2 to 3 minute video role playing that how will you do a basic get interaction, maybe how will you take how will you take an order, how will you apologize to a customer, how will you apologize for a delayed service, how will you handle a demanding guest who is being asking for things, how will you attend more than one customer at a time, how will you handle a guest complaint, and then how will you provide an unbelievable service. So you can record a role play of yourself, assuming a person. You may ask help from your friend to become a guest, become a demanding guest, to become a complaining guest, or become a guest just only. And then you create a scenario how you are going to provide these services. So basically, you have to have a script. You have to deliver that script, practice it, record it in any phone or screen, put it onto the YouTube, and submit the link of that YouTube into the assignment. So that video can be public, it can be unlisted, so it's not a problem. And then Mr. Harish will review that video and will provide you the personalized comments how you can improve or what you can improve on those interactions, so you can improve your you can improve your services.
I'll be very happy with any question arising from that. And if you see in this slide, it says unavailable services. There are times that you do not have something available within your restaurant. This is also becomes a challenge because all the things every time are not available. Sometimes some things become unavailable. Now to handle this is a tact that if you do not have something, you should always keep in mind what can replace this kind of service, what else you can provide within the available things that you have now that can compensate. So always keep that in mind. If something goes not available, first of all you have to know that. So when you are doing an order taking, you are already can tell the customer same time, sir, this dish or this item is not available today, or it will be available after an hour, or it will be available following day, or in the evening today. But again, if you are prepared, it will help you better. First of all, you will not do any order taking and later you will go back and say, sir, this item is not available. But first you know it, you tell him on the first stage, take an alternative order, and it will serve both ways properly. It is only normal in any service that you use in hotel and in a restaurant that something can go unavailable. Maybe you had 15 portion of certain item and you sold all. So when the 16 person will come, you do not have a portion available. It is only normal. So then you can tell the customer that please, this item we run short of, we oversold, or whatever portions we have, we sold out. It is a high selling item, but may I please, can I give you this item?